Dear daughter, I wish I could capture each and every frame of your funny antics for posterity to remember your frivolity and show you when you grow up how you did frantic verbal gymnastics with your little limited elastic syllables, and how you loved the sound of crunched up plastic wrapping your little hand around my finger in your slumber, while the seasons of your first year went from winter to summer and back to winter again as we took you to our native place in Bihar where your Dadupa had been born and became the brave soldier that he was, and now we head back to your birthplace in the north,